Now, what's the difference between a C of O and an R of O? That is a certificate of occupancy and a right of occupancy. I'll be explaining it today. Let me use this analogy for a soft landing. Say, for instance, you get admission into a school, which means that you have also been given the right to be a student of that institution. And after a while, they give you the admission letter. Now, this is how right of occupancy and certificate of occupancy works. Without that admission, will you be able to get that admission letter? No. So without the right of occupancy, you would not be able to get the certificate of occupancy. Now, before I go further, the right of occupancy is simply the government giving you the right to use that allocated land. You've bought a land, the government has acknowledged and has given you that land as an allocation. The government gives you that land with the intent of giving you the right to use the land for its purpose. Then the certificate of occupancy is simply the certificate that shows the rights that the government has earlier given you. So a lot of persons think that, oh, certificate of occupancy is the only important thing. But will there be a certificate of occupancy without a right of occupancy? Just like, will there be an admission letter if they have not given you admission into that school or institution? No. So a right of occupancy is also very important, just like the certificate of occupancy. A lot of persons would say, oh, if there is no C of O on that property, I would not buy. But then, what if they give you the wrong C of O? Or they give you a fake C of O? Because apart from having the C of O, you should also do your due diligence to make sure that that C of O is the appropriate C of O, and above all, involve your lawyer before you buy that property.